People come to the food vending machine and scan the QR code for the application. After opening the application, people place an order for whatever they want to buy. Food vending machine receives order from the customers.
Order received.
Food vending machine sends order to server using Wi-Fi.
Order confirmed.
Server sends order information to JMR Techno Payment Gateway.
Payment gateway confirmed.
Food vending machine receives payment and sends notification to the user.
Payment received.
Food vending machine works based on menu order and gives products to the customer. Functions of the food vending machine: scan-based menu order system, digital payment, solar-based power, battery backup, Wi-Fi inbuilt for communication, calling-based security system, and GPS navigation system for theft protection. Thank you for watching.